McDonald's.
We are. An order of 6 nuggets with sweet and sour. What do you want with your drink? What do you want with that?
All right, that's going to bring your total up to $28.38.
Thank you.
$28.38. I'm gonna pay you $20 to make it home.
No, you ain't.
Yes, I am.
No, you ain't. Panicking when my debit card isn't where it should be. It's a little sweaty. Made myself laugh.
Why?
You think I could back up something like that? I just saw an article and I didn't click on it where it was like a petite female that's a truck driver and she can maneuver like that. Kudos to her, girl. I mean, there's women that do it all the time. Kudos to them. I couldn't.
Yep. I was there in real life.
Where'd she hear that from?
I don't know.
That's so boring. Thank you. Here.
It's yours.
Thanks. Well, I need you to grab stuff.
Okay.
Can I have you pull up to that sign, please? It's going to be about 2 to 4 more minutes.
Sure. It's very efficient.
2 to 4 minutes. I should have it done instantly. This is outrageous. So now I guess we just wait for 2 to 4 minutes until our food gets here, huh?
Well, what other choice do we have?
Happy Meals?
Yep.
Okay. There you are. Have a good day.
Oh my god.
Thank you, sir. I got choked. Thank you.
That is so funny.
Didn't really think I was a weirdo. I just suck something in right whenever you come up. We'll pull over and make sure we got everything. Oh gosh. You know yourself, it hurts whenever you have one of those coughing attacks.
Oh my god. You just coughed so
It's okay, make sure we got everything. Make sure we got everything.
You got some fries. Here, do you want to eat here? Okay.
Ooh, those are hot.
Oh, this is very hot.
Is it? Fresh food, I love it.
Yeah.
You got everything that you were wanting.
Yeah, I did.